This specialized stainless steel tanker is designed to efficiently collect the fresh, milky white, natural rubber.
Here we see the natural rubber sap being forced through the filtration system, a crucial step in ensuring the purity of the final product.
The high-grade stainless steel wire mesh effectively catches the tiny leaves and bark fragments,
The LED confirms the precise 60% concentration, ensuring the high quality of the raw liquid latex.
The giant turbine blades engage, transforming the raw liquid latex into a powerful, swirling vortex. The milky white natural rubber sap is fully homogenized, presenting a flawless, glassy texture under the inspection spotlight. The thick, milky white natural rubber sap is pumped directly into the continuous oaks mixer for the aeration phase. The rotors violently tear the fluid, folding in air to create this dense, aerated latex foam. As the latex cures, millions of uniform air bubbles create this unique, highly elastic material. The massive aluminum pin core mold slides into the pouring station, ready for the next phase of casting.
The massive aluminum pin core mold, seen here on the conveyor, utilizes thousands of precisely machined alloy pins.
The automated nozzle precisely dispenses the thick, aerated latex foam, creating a microcellular structure essential for the final product.
The solidified latex foam, perfectly flush with the aluminum mold, moves along the conveyor system. This might
The massive rectangular aluminum mold travels along the heavy conveyor, heading directly into the vulcanization tunnel.
Monitoring the core temperature is critical. Here we see the precise moment the digital gauge hits the required 110 degrees for the vulcanization process.
Friendly. The smooth dolly shot tracks the massive aluminum pin core mold as the hydraulift precisely hoists the cover.
Here we see the vulcanized mattress core, freshly stripped from the mold. The steam indicates the intense heat required for the curing process.
Still steaming from the mold, the vulcanized mattress core demonstrates the incredible elasticity of natural latex before finally releasing from the thousands of pins. The moment it snaps free, the solidified latex foam reveals its signature flawless, porous pinhole texture under the inspection spotlight. Fresh from the molds, the latex cores enter the high-pressure washing station, where intense water jets cleanse the material before drying. The newly vulcanized mattress core proceeds to the washing station, where high-pressure water removes residual chemicals before the drying phase.
The infrared sensor ensures a perfect cure, detecting zero moisture across the solidified latex foam.
This perfectly trimmed natural latex core, now completely dry, moves into the inspection area under bright LED lights.
The high-tech laser scanner sweeps the latex core, checking the dimensions of the solidified foam and porous pinholes with clinical precision. Utilizing high-grade stainless steel, these machines transform the woven textile into a luxurious, durable mattress cover.
The hydraulic press compresses the premium latex mattress, sealing it tightly in heavy-duty plastic film before it moves to the automated rolling machines.
Looking at the sagging box, the some heads have unusually current plain cardboard, smoothly red score.
The robotic palletizer streamlines the logistics process, handling heavy mattress boxes with precision and efficiency under the bright factory lights.
In this vast logistics hub, the efficiency of automation is on full display. These mattress units
Hauling high-grade stainless steel through the morning mist, this is the backbone of the modern rubber industry.